How to recondition teak furniture. Teak is a sturdy type of wood that will last for generations. Without regular cleaning and oiling, teak's golden color will turn a silvery gray. There's no need to spend money on a professional furniture refinisher because reviving your teak garden furniture to its original glow is a straightforward process that you can do yourself. Things you'll need: fine grain sandpaper, rubber gloves, bucket, 2 cups household ammonia, 1 capful laundry detergent, scrub brush, hose, teak oil, rag. Sand the teak furniture with fine grain sandpaper. Mix 2 cups of household ammonia with 1 capful of laundry detergent after donning a pair of rubber gloves. Apply the cleaning solution to the teak furniture, using a scrub brush to gently clean the furniture while working in straight, horizontal lines from top to bottom. Dispose any unused cleaning solution after you have cleaned the entire piece of furniture. Rinse off the teak furniture with a hose and allow it to dry completely, preferably in the sun, for at least 3 days. Pour teak oil onto a clean, lint-free rag after donning rubber gloves and apply the oil to the teak furniture from top to bottom. Allow the furniture to dry overnight before using. Tips: warnings. Clean and oil your teak furniture every 3 months to keep it looking its best. Always wear rubber gloves when working with teak oil and the ammonia mixture because both substances can irritate skin.